Hi everyone, my name is Jane. I'm going to show you today how to do the double crochet stitch. It's the first of a series of 3 where the second one will be the half treble and the third will be a treble. These 3 stitches make up the basis of all crochet stitches. I'm going to be using a 6mm hook and some chunky yarn, but clearly you use whatever the pattern says for whatever garment or item you're making. And you can see what the stitch looks like here. At the bottom, if I use my hook to show you, you have, with the front facing you, there's a little V stitch here, row of V stitches, and when the back of the stitch is facing you, it's an upside down V with a little top on it, a bit like I think it's a pi in mathematics, one of those anyway. It looks to me like a mathematical sign.